Sometimes the best things happen when nothing gets in the way. Now, if you guys are new here, I've been doing this challenge almost every day for August. This is day number 12, actually. Day number 12. Kind of crazy. I don't film on Sundays, and so every other single day is those are my filming days. And I've been creating art every single day. Look at this one. This is one that I did last time. And if you haven't seen this video, it's definitely worth a watch. Go check it out. It's about limiting your palette. But regardless, today was really different, and funny enough, I was like finally taking my own advice because I'm an art teacher privately, and this past summer we've been teaching over 300 students. With that, sometimes I tell people a lot of things, but by the time I get into my own projects, it all goes out the window. Oftentimes I get too distracted on my own thoughts or my own worries or my own stresses. I start thinking too much about the things happening in my life, and so I get really set back. But today I just decided I'm gonna pick a pretty easy piece. I knew I had to upload something today. I had to do something, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna throw this one out there, see what happens. If it's good, then perfect, that'll be great for content. But this one is interesting because I kind of just turned off my brain and got to work, and I decided I wasn't gonna worry about getting it perfect, just gonna follow the reference the best I possibly could and just see what happens. So by the time I had gotten far enough, I was just kind of shocked. It all started with just a little bit of watercolor paper, some of that cheap stuff. Then I did a little bit of watercolor on top, and then a little bit of Prismacolor. And honestly, one of my favorite pieces. Okay, now when I say favorite piece, I really got to step back and just say this. That's a very debatable statement, first of all. Favorite piece? Yeah, it was actually way up there, but I can't say that this was my favorite. It's really hard to find out, like, which one is my favorite, which one do I like the most. And I'm actually kind of curious, if you guys have seen all the videos, what is your guys' favorite? After this video, let me know, put it in the comments. I'd really love to hear. Now, just so you guys know, a lot of these are up for sale. The only one that's not up for sale is the Batman piece. That's one that I'm going to be hanging up in my office. I don't know, that was just a very special piece to me for some reason. But this one, as far as quality, this one kind of meets it, which is really funny to say because I let it be a little bit more impressionistic in that sense. I let it be a little bit more sketchy. I let it be a little bit more street arty, right? This one is not special by any means, but that's what makes it so special, is I turn off my brain, let myself just create, and I didn't pressure myself to do it perfect or anything like that. And look at this. This is the Nacho Libre piece. Everybody wants hanging up in their, heck, let's not even lie. Everybody wants it hanging up in their living room. Okay, but you know, wives, husbands, whoever it might be, there's always somebody who won't let you do it. But you know what? Just negotiate, maybe for a day. If you end up being the owner of this piece, let me know. I'd love to see where you end up hanging it up. But let me know what you guys think. Is this the new favorite? I really cannot tell, honestly. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Gabe the Painter. I really do appreciate you guys clicking on this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, of course, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Check this out. Oh my goodness. We are going to be uploading like this every single day except for Sundays. That's just not my thing. But regardless, I do appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. Honestly, you guys are the best. Let me know how you're doing in the comments below. I'd love to just see. I'd like to check on all my people. Without further ado, though, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll see you tomorrow.